Hi, I'm Kaushal Shah, CEO of SI Systems. Welcome to TLC Expo. These are the devices which connect to the machines to capture the data from the machines of production and machine uptime. This data is then shown to the operators on the operator terminal, where the operator can do a paperless work center where he can see the drawings, work orders, the production status of all the machines. If there is multiple machines in a production cell, we can see 8 to 10 machines in one screen. The same function of when the production finishes, the quality inspection department can see their data entry terminals, and there will be no need for paper to record the quality inspection parameters and all. Also, there will be visibility on the shop floor to see the status of every process, every work order, at what stage the material has reached, etc. This whole system combines all the data from the shop floor, and this data is then presented in the office as various kinds of dashboards for the management and supervision team, which they can have the current status of all the machines, what is happening on the shop floor, what is the work order status, etc. Company initially started from our manufacturing factory, where we felt the need for real-time data which was on the shop floor but never reached the office. So 10 years back we started the journey of digitalization of shop floors, where we made our own factory digital first, and when people appreciated our working and process, we transformed it into another business of digitizing the factories with IoT and shop floor management digitally. This whole system is developed by us in India and been used first in our factory before we sell it to our customers.